So when I get asked the question, what benefits do I have available to me if I've been injured in a construction accident case? And what my answer to that is first and foremost, if you are in the course and scope of your work, the course and scope of your employment, then you have in Florida what's called your right to workers' compensation. And workers' compensation is something that is designed, there's no determination of fault when it comes to workers' compensation. There are benefits that apply as long as you have been injured in the course and scope of your employment. So, first and foremost, you have what's called the indemnity benefits. If you're not working, you're entitled to a percentage of your lost wages under the workers' compensation. You're entitled to medical benefits under workers' compensation, that your reasonable medical care has to be paid by the workers' compensation carrier. And those are the dual benefits that you have. And then in addition to that, you have what's called impairment benefits through that workers' compensation process. Impairment benefits are determined based on whether or not you have sustained a permanent injury, considered to be a permanent injury under the Florida Guides for the Evaluation of Permanent Impairment in the state of Florida. And that's something that in general your treating physicians will make a determination once you have reached maximum medical improvement. While all that's going on in the world of workers' compensation, if your injuries were caused by the failure to use reasonable care by someone who is not your employer, who is not a co-employee, if it was caused by some other third party or some other entity that either caused the condition or did something actively or had an omission of care in doing something that they should have done that caused your injuries, consult with us, because you're also entitled to pursue that claim against that third party under Florida law, because workers' compensation doesn't provide for all your injuries, damages, and losses. For example, workers' compensation does not pay for your pain and suffering. It doesn't pay for your mental anguish. It doesn't pay for your loss of your capacity for you to enjoy your life and your normal lifestyle. But those are the kinds of damages that we're able to recover against the at-fault party that caused or contributed to that particular accident that caused your injury at work or on a construction site.